Print on demand is a printing technology and business model that allows for the production of custom printed items, such as books, apparel, posters, and more, in small quantities or even one at a time, as orders are received. Today, we will talk about Printram. Printram provides you with the essential tools to create, establish, and grow your print-on-demand venture efficiently. Let Printram handle the details while you infuse vitality into your brand. Let's watch together the design preparation of children's clothing through Printram and get closely acquainted with the features of the Printram platform. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about innovations in the world of e-commerce. Discover e-commerce world with us.